So I don't know where I was. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann. Today I have a Wantable unboxing. I've already peeked and it's got some really cute things. So let's get right into it and I'll show you what I got. Wantable is a styling service where they will send you items of clothing. Usually it's about 5 to 7 pieces. You pay $21.65 styling fee, and you've got 5 days to try things on. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. They send you a postage paid envelope to stick everything back in and send that you don't want to keep. Anything you do keep, your $21 goes towards. If you don't keep anything, then you lose that styling fee. Also, I will have a code if you want to try it. I can't remember what you get, but it'll be down in the description. I'll put all the other details down in the description. Let me show you what I got. The first thing on top is this shacket, and this is the plaid shacket and ivory combo by Kenzie. Buttons all the way down the front. It's got faux wood buttons. It's got 2 pockets at the top like they do. It has the 2 pockets up top and then it's got pockets at the bottom. So that's really cute. This is the soft rib cardigan with pockets in H Stratosphere by Dreamers, and it is a long cardigan. Not long, but it's this light blue. It's has a nice feel, a nice weight to it. It does have front pockets, 2 front pockets. That's cute. It would go with a whole lot. Next is balloon sleeve high neck knit top in cocoa by Lush. This looks pretty interesting. Look at this. Turtleneck. It's got almost kind of a dolman sleeve, and then it's got this band around the waist, or not exactly the waist, it kind of hits at the waist, and then it's brown. It's got some flecks of black in it. You can see that looks interesting. Next is the Maria sweater in heather gray by Thread and Supply, and it's very cute, very soft. V-neck. I like it. I think it's really cute. You see the ribbing. Next we have the camo turtleneck sweater in camo soft sand by RD Style. And I think this is cute. Just want to make sure I give you the front turtleneck. Kind of an oversized. And the sleeves. That ribbing in the same at the bottom. It's just a camel and brown and cream colored sweater. These are the cargo jogger in black by Oat, O-A-T. They're very heavy. They're not like your typical jogger. They're definitely a little better made jogger, I think. They've got pockets in the back and then the pockets in the front. And then last are these high-rise flair with trouser hem and Pippa by Kenzie. They've got the wide flair. They've got some distressing, which I like. To me, just the right amount. I like this wash, and we'll see how I like me, and it's been a while. Let me go try everything on and we will see what we think. Be right back. All right, this is the balloon sleeve high neck knit top by Lush, and this was a lot cuter online than it turned out to be, because I actually requested this, but I do not like it at all. It does not fit me right. I think it'd be cute on somebody, but definitely not on me. Next are these high-rise flare jeans by Kenzie, and I like the wash. I like the distressing. I have them on with boots. They are not for me. I've seen them on other people and they're so cute, but they are just not flattering me at all, as you can see, but I'll keep looking. Next is the plaid shacket by Kenzie, and I think it's a cute little jacket. I think it's this one's a little too big for me. I like the pattern. I think it's pretty colors. I like the buttons. I like everything about it. I just should have gotten a size smaller. Next is this turtleneck sweater in camo by RD Style. And usually I'm not a huge fan of camo, but I think this is a really pretty sweater and it's really well done. It is a little scratchy for an $80 sweater, so I won't get it, but I like the turtleneck. I really think it's just really cute. Next is the Maria sweater by Thread and Supply, and I think this is so cute. It's very soft. It's not scratchy at all. Just a nice neutral color. I like the way it fits. I like that it's a V-neck. It's just, I really like it. It's really cute. And I like it with these joggers. So it'd be cute with jeans or dress pants or joggers. And here's a close-up, give you a better idea of the color and the knit. Just really cute. And speaking of cute, these are the Cargo Jogger by Oat. And I really like these. They've got a good weight, a good feel to them. They're stretchy and comfortable. Pockets in the front, pockets in the back. I think they look cute with this sweater. I just really like them. And they were $31. And then last is the Soft Rib Cardigan by Dreamers. And it's cute. It's got a really nice weight. Would be super versatile. The color would be really versatile. I like it. I just don't need it. I like the length. It's a little bit longer, little bit longer than a lot of my cardigans, but pockets in the front. It's very cute. Okay, let's do a really quick wrap up. I think this is cute. I don't think it did anything for me. I'll keep trying the shacket till I find something I like. I'm not gonna keep this. I think it's cute. I think it's nice. I don't love it and I don't need it. I really like this sweater. I have several, not lots, but I have several sweaters in the grays and the tans kind of thing. So I don't think I'm gonna keep that. I like this. It's really expensive and it is kind of itchy, scratchy. So I'm not gonna keep that. This looked ridiculous on me. And I have discovered now that I've tried them that these flare legs are not for me. Not keeping those. These are mine. They were on sale for $31. So absolutely. But honestly, I would have kept these if they hadn't been on sale. But I love that they are. They're just really, really cute. And they feel really good. They fit really well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.